slicing of cake and toast. So, tinatawagan natin later na sa toast natin, disclaimer lang, yung inumin natin later, walang alcohol yun. It's just a candy juice, so lahat pwede, kahit si Una pwede. Okay ba yun? So, dadako na tayo sa slicing of the cake. Didn't you know that the cake cutting ceremony symbolizes unity, shared joy, and marking a significant milestone, kagaya ngayon, milestone ni ate. While toast of grandeur symbolizes abundance, refinement, and lasting significance. So, tinatawagan ko yung mga anak ni ate. Yan. Saka, for everybody's information, itong mga cakes na nandito, tsaka yung mga sweets sa likod mamaya, gawa yan ng mga anak ni ate. So, mamaya titignan natin, ha. Ayan. Tatawagin natin si Clyde, si Hannah, tsaka si Brother Celso. Okay. So magkakain tayo of the cake. Then after nito, magto-toast tayo, no? Para kay ate. Okay ba yun? May chocolate. Nakikita niyo ba sa likod? Mamaya titikman natin yung cake, ha? Ito ay gawa ng cookie duo. Yan, and you have to taste it. Talagang kakain ka ng kahit bite lang ate. Kasi symbolism yan eh. Oh, pwede ba natin palampakan ang ating celebrant? Beautiful family, right? Next we have...
So, thank you sa lahat ng attendees. I'm not expecting this occasion. Kung hindi dahil sa asawa ko, hindi kami pupunta rito, but for her request, I do my best na makapunta rito. This is not grand finale, meron pa susunod. But for this occasion, I request everybody to make a stand and let's have a grandeur toast for my loving wife.
So yung Tagalog tayo daw po tayo. Ayan. So pwede bang center yung family, first family? Clyde, where's your juice? Okay. Meron pa tayong juice, no, right? Okay, yan. One at... Yan. Okay.
For you, my loving wife, and my daughters, this occasion is significant to our family. So everybody is kampai, happy birthday.
Rowena! Cheers, cheers. Yeah, cheers, cheers. Kampai. Cheers. Okay, let's drink. It's just a candy.
Thank you
it's
very
okay.
much.
Thank you very much. Happy birthday. Okay, ulitin na. Stop, stop.
Ulit daw.
Tayo naman, excited naman. Happy. Pag sinabi kong faster, faster. Okay, DJ. 1, 2, here we go. Ayun na naman kayo. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Then, make it fast. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. uno per table. Okay ba yun? Ano gusto natin mauna? Yung nasa likod o yung nasa harap? Tama. Yung nasa likod na lang para hindi tayo masyadong crowded.